Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I want to explain about quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? But firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jihan Rofifah. You can call me Jihan. I'm student from Mathematics Education, major UHAMKA University. I get assessment from Mr. Subhan Aziz as my lecturer of teaching primary mathematics to 8th class. Okay, before we going to study, I will start about my presentation from 1. Quadratic equation, 2. Quadratic formula, and 3. Discriminant. Okay, let's move on. Quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? The quadratic equation is, the name quadratic comes from quad meaning square because the variable gets square like x square. It is also called an equation of degree 2 because of the 2 on the x. The standard form of a quadratic equation looks like this. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where is a, b, and c is a real number and a is not equal to 0. For example, 4x squared plus 6x plus 12 equal to 0. A is 4, b is 6, and c is 12. 4 is coefficient of x squared, 6 is coefficient of x, and 12 is constant. Minus 6 squared plus 12 equal to 0. Is this an example of a quadratic equation? Yes, good job! This is an example of a quadratic equation. A is minus 6, b is 0, and c is 12. As we saw before, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. But sometimes a quadratic equation doesn't look like that. For example, in this guys, x squared equal to 3x minus 1, move all terms to left hand side. X squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. A is 1, b is minus 3, and c is 1. 2 brackets w squared minus 2w equal to 5. Expand under the brackets and move 5 to left. 2 w squared minus 4w minus 5 equal to 0. A is 2, b is minus 4, and c is minus 5. Z brackets z minus 1 equal to 3. Expand and move 3 to left. Z squared minus z minus 3 equal to 0. A is 1, b is minus 1, and c is minus 3. How to solve them? The solutions to the quadratic equation are where it is equal to 0. They are also called roots or sometimes zeros. There are a few different ways to find the solutions. One, we can factor the quadratic. 2, we can complete the square. 3, we can use the special quadratic formula. Okay, finally, you will know about quadratic equation, but the second material is quadratic formula. Let's move on. Quadratic formula. First of all, what is that plus or minus? Thing that looks like plus minus? The plus minus means there are two answers. X equal to minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. X equal to minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here is an example with two answers. But it doesn't always work out like that. 1. Imagine if the curve just touches the x-axis. Imagine the curve is so high it doesn't even cross the x-axis. Using the quadratic formula. Example, solve 5x squared plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Coefficient R is A is 5, B is 6, and C is 1. Quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Put in a, b, and c is x equal to minus 6 plus minus square root 6 square minus 4 times 5 times 1 over 2 times 5. Solve is x equal to minus 6 plus minus square root 36 minus 20 over 10. X equal to minus 6 plus minus square root 16 over 10. X equal to minus 6 plus minus 4 over 10. X or minus 1. The answer is x equal to minus 0.2 or x equal to minus 1, and we see them on this graph. The first check minus 0.2. 5x bracket minus 0.2 square plus 6x bracket minus 0.2 plus 1 equal to 5x bracket 0.04 plus 6x bracket minus 0.2 plus 1 equal to 0.2 minus 1.2 plus 1 equal to 0. The second check minus 1. 5x bracket minus 1 square plus 6x bracket minus 1 plus 1. 5x times 1 plus 6x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 5 minus 6 plus 1 equal to 0. Yay! The quadratic formula is enough. Okay, let's move on to the last materials is discriminant. The discriminant is so important for you. Let's move on. Discriminant. Do you see b squared minus 4ac in the formula above? It is called the discriminant because it can discriminate between the possible types of answer. 1. When b squared minus 4ac is positive, we get two real solutions. 2. When it is 0, we get just one real solution. Both answers are the same. 3. When it is negative, we get a pair of complex solutions. Conclusion. 1. Quadratic equation in standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. 2. Quadratic equation can be factored. 3. Quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. 4. When the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is first positive, there are two real solutions. Second, 0, there is one real solution. Third, negative, there are two complex solutions. Stay home with YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. The end.